In this video, we'll make a beautiful glowing heart using Python and Tableau. First, let's start with Python to create a simple basic heart using parametric equations. Let's run the Python code. Next, we use Python to get a table in a CSV file, then load the data to Tableau to make our mathematical heart into a beautiful work of simple art. Let's load the CSV file to Tableau. This is our table, and go to Sheet, change the name. First, let's create a parameter called heart size. Data type is float, and from a small one, the maximum is 1, and the step size 0.2, then the current value. Let's make a little bit small heart and show the parameter, and you can see we can choose the heart size. The next parameter is we call glow layer because layers are integer, and the range from no layer. The maximum here is 20. We set up in the Python code 20 maximum layers. And the step size, you choose 2 or 3 either way. And the current value, let's start like any number, just not bigger than 20, right? If I choose 8 or 6, click OK. Show the parameter. We can change the setting, heart size, and glow layers. Next, let's make a field called X plot. This X value is from the basic heart. Since the heart size will be changed times heart size. Okay. So similarly, let's make Y plot. So the Y value of the base heart follows the heart size. The last field is show layer. So by this layer index, less equals the parameters glow layers. Okay. Now we are ready to make a simple but beautiful heart. Drag Y plot to row, X plot to column, and choose a line, the segment to path. We only see one dot. Then go to this analysis, uncheck aggregate measure. Then you see the heart. And we let the layer index to color. And we can change the color. Here I just simply choose red. And you also can adjust the transparency, Okay. Then let show layer to filters. Choose true. Okay. Now you see we want to change the heart size. No matter what, the heart stays the same. And the X and the Y axis changed. go to the edit axis and custom. So fix the start and fix the end. Same thing here. Fixed axis. Now you can change the height. But we want a clean background. So right click, not to show header. Here, uncheck this as well. We don't want those lines. Go to format, choose lines, then grid lines, none. And X and Y axis, none. So they all disappeared. And we can choose the height size, smaller and bigger. And the layer, more layers or less layers. What we have here is our basic height. But Tableau can do so much more. We can bring this height to life with animations, make it beat, or add stunning visual effects. In the end of this video, I'd like to share some beautiful music that feels like the voice of love, a beautiful expression of our mathematical heart.